Hey friends! So this week we've been studying The Mitten by Jan Britt, which is a story about a little boy who loses his mitten and a bunch of animals try to fit inside of it. So you are also going to be journaling about one of those animals. I'm going to read to you about the snowshoe hare. It has a picture of a snowshoe hare, and it says, "This is a snowshoe rabbit." Remember, the word hare and rabbit are the same here. It says a snowshoe rabbit can be found in North America, which is where we live. It loves to live in the forest where it can find many of places to hide, maybe a mitten. It also lives in the mountains and the plains. The body of a snowshoe rabbit has special characteristics that help it survive. The snowshoe rabbit is called snowshoe because of the size of its back feet. It has large back feet which prevent or keep it from sinking into the snow when it hops and walks. The fur of the snowshoe rabbit changes color during the winter. The fur turns white. Remember, we studied about this in our snow book. It says the white fur helps it hide from predators by providing camouflage. During the spring and summer, the fur of the snowshoe rabbit is brown. The snowshoe rabbit eats plants, grass, and leaves. During the winter, it eats twigs, tree bark, and dead animals such as mice and rodents. A snowshoe rabbit doesn't hibernate. It stays active all year long. Okay, so if you want to write about the snowshoe rabbit, make sure that you're writing to the bottom, all the way to the bottom of your journal page. You need to have a capital letter at the beginning of every sentence, a period at the end of the sentences, and make sure you have good finger spaces and handwriting. Your picture needs to have lots of details and color, and don't forget your labels.